What's going on, y'all? It's James with the game. It's 95 degrees out here already. Terrible. But we about to get it in. I got about 10 yards to do today. 10 is my number until this heat lay up off me. It's retarded. But yeah, 10 yards to do, guys. Gonna be dropping some game today. Pay attention. Tune in. Get your pens, get your pencils ready. All right? And like I said, man, I always tell you guys, keep your routes tight. Keep your routes tight, man. And if this what you want to do it. All right? If this what you want to do it. But just know, it get rough out here. It get rough out here. All right? So let's get to it, man. It's James with the game. Let's get it. All right, man. Just finished up. Real quick. How you doing? Whew. It's hot.
I'm so sorry.
Are you good? I appreciate you. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Very much. You do such a nice job.
Thank you. You take it easy. Try to stay cool. Stay cool. I ain't gonna hold you. I be making people feel sorry for me. I be like, phew, phew, phew. Might go put some water on my face real quick, make it look like I'm super sweating. I be like, phew, man. Phew. Gotta get them tips, baby. I actually got a yard to do down here, but I ain't doing it. I can't. I know you ain't supposed to say can't, but I can't. Them edges definitely right though, ain't they? Yeah, they right. That's one thing I practice on, my edges. But not nothing too crazy. $30 property. See them lines still in there somewhere. Actually, no, the neighbor actually cut this the other, like 2 weeks ago. Maybe, yeah, about 2 weeks ago. And she was like, hey, I just told him, stop cutting it. He's messing my schedule up. So, yeah, we back on schedule right here. So, I actually got 2 over there, 1 right there, 1 down the street. So, that's love. So, yeah, man, let's get to it. Now, I'm about to blow the grass into the grass, all this dirt and stuff, but I blow it back into the grass, and then I get it up with the lawnmower. I'm gonna bag it for the front, probably bag the whole property. It's not that big. 1 bag does this whole property, so that's how I usually do hers. I like to keep it nice and clean around here. Plus, she gives me an extra couple bucks to keep it clean, so why not? So that's usually how I do it first. I weed whack first. I edge everything first. Trim all the things that my lawnmower basically can't get. And I blow it in the grass and you know what I mean? I mulch it or I bag it. So how you guys get busy? talk to me. Let me know. If you got faster way, let me know. But yeah, it's never gonna be faster for me because all I do is record all day. So yeah, man. So let me get to it. I'll holler at you guys later. All right, guys. So just wrapped up this last property. Just do a double check. Everything looking good though. Yep. Everything looking good. On to the next. Gotta go over there. All right. Bro, I got a headache. I gotta sit down. It's the back. It's good. Oh. My air conditioner is blowing out freezing cold air. God is good. God is good, bruv. The AC working. This shit don't even work all week. Piece of shit. That ain't work all week, guys. Look at that sun. You see him? He hating. He hating. Let's check out this work real quick. All right, guys. Just finished up this one. And this one. And then the 3 over there. I did 3 over there. And I did 2 up there somewhere. One more. Alright, man, just finished up. Take my word for it, this joint was trash. This corner, look, as you can see, the weeds that grew. The grass was all the way up to this part, right there. I just forgot to get it before and after. I was so pissed. I forgot about this joint. Pissed. Where we at? We at Somerville 5th. Yeah, Somerville 5th. It looks good though. It looks good. Yo, what's up, y'all? Hey, listen, real quick. I got 12 to do. I'm about to get to it. What time is it? It's 9:57. I'ma probably be out here till like 2:30. I got like 15 to do on this one block. Then I got 3 more to do outside of here. Scattered, but they close. And then I'm done. Yeah, this gonna burn me out, but let's get to it, man. Hey, listen. Today we talking about being professional, looking professional. Try to talk as professional as you can. Don't be out here, you know, y'all see how I be with the slang sometimes, but I definitely tighten up when it's time to talk business or when I'm in a meeting, when I'm doing quotes, because you gotta lock that money in. You feel what I'm saying? So, see what I mean? Feel what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Like, you gotta kind of like step your vocabulary up out here, man. You handling business, you doing business. You want to look good. You don't want to be smelling bad. You don't want to be smelling too good, but you want to be clean, man. You know what I mean? I tuck my shirt in. I cover my arms up. Yeah, man, I'm out here. You know what I mean? We ain't too professional, but we gonna talk about being professional, all right? Because that's how you gonna get the money, all right? So, yeah, man, it's James with the game. This is episode 21. And we out here. Let's get to it. All right, guys. Just finished up these 2 houses right here. This one of them. I gotta blow the grass. I got the edges. Just hit the edges real quick. Great, blow all that. And we out. So that's done. All small yards today, y'all. All small yards. Small yard king. That's I'm going to take that new name, Small Yard King. And then I did this one right here. All right. I'm about to blow this grass and we on to the next. In about 3 hours, it's gonna get real, so I'm trying to hurry up. Let's go. All right, y'all. Just wrapped up this little apartment complex. I do this every week. It's a weekly property. It's the back of it. Then you go down, make a right. It's the more apartments, but it's nothing really. It's the main piece of grass. Then I gotta get the grass about the cracks a little bit. I did that, but yeah, man. We out. Where we at? We at Emmett Huntington Park. Let's get it. Ask me how I do this, yo. How'd I do this? How'd I do this, though? This is so goofy. It's so goofy, though. Like, who does stuff like this, bro? My days. I thought I had a flat. I was just riding 2 blocks. I thought I had a flat. I said, fuck it. I don't even want to look at it. I'm going to just get to the damn joint. It's part of the grind, so you gotta take it, right? But I tell you what, I tell y'all one thing, and I'm gonna tell you again. If this is what you want to do it. Start in the wintertime. Start shoveling snow. See if those same people need a lawn care person. You know what I mean? Step your game up. Because you definitely just can't be out here cutting people's grass and you don't know what you're doing. Yeah, they not going to call you back. They're not going to call you back, I promise. I don't care how cheap you charge. Oh, I'll do it for 10. How much is he charging? Oh, I'll do it for 10. And they be like, all right, bet. And they chop they joint all stupid.